in okay. Now it will look like this. You will able to see it like a table structure wherein there are columns and rows. Okay, column are labeled by letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G like that, and rows are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Okay, these are menus that you can use for different purpose. This is file related functions or commands. This you if you want to edit, view, different types of views are there. What you want to show on this screen, what you want to hide, insert to insert something, row, column, new row or column or picture, whatever. Then formatting, from here you can format cell or row or column or entire sheet. Then tools are there, spelling check and other tools. Gallery is there. Data, when you want to sort or filter this data, whatever you are using data here, that you can sort and filter. And whatever commands are there inside this okay menu bar, few of them you get here. Okay, few tools you get here which are more common. So you can directly access some tools from here. This is sorting, okay, ascending and descending. This is for chart like that, bold, italic, underline. Then alignment is there. This is for font size, etc. So when you want to represent data in tabular structure, and when you want to show calculation for that data at that time, this is a very useful software. Okay, this software can be used for example, balance sheet. Balance sheet is what? It is statement of financial position and summary in typical account format. Is any organization keeps track of its expenses and incomes. And finally, a summary is created, that is balance sheet. Then for result analysis and merit list preparation, if school want to create results for the student, they can use this. Then statistical data analysis also it is used. Then financial activities, when you want to record any received amount or which amount you have spent somewhere that for that. Then personal activities like tracking personal weight, managing list of activities, and then different events that are taking place. So all this can be managed here. So now let's understand this screen. So already we have seen menu bar and tools. So the topmost part where untitled one is written, this is title bar of this window. Then comes menu bar, file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, data, window and help. Then come toolbar. Here tools are there. Okay. In here you can type something. This is what one area where you can type something. This is called formula and data input bar. Here you can insert data or formula. So whatever part of this worksheet is active, there you will get that data. For example, 1, 2, 3 I have written. You can see that I am writing here, but comes here also. So whatever is active, there the data will go like this. Okay. Then there is address or name field of the selected cell. So right now, how you can come to know which cell is selected? For example, when I click here, then address of this cell is what? First column letter, that is D, and then row number, that is 7. So address of this cell is D7. So you can find it here, D7. Okay. And the cell which is surrounded by this dark border, that is called active cell. Means now if we do anything here, that will be applied in this cell only. Okay, so active cell where you are typing something or editing something. Okay, this is from this A1 cell to whatever visible on your screen, the cell, all cell, that is called your workspace. Okay, these are called column headers, ABCD. These are called row header, that is numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. There is a sheet tab. This is sheet 1, 2, and 3. So by default, you get 3 worksheet here. Okay, this is first, this is second, this is 3. For example, if I am going to track my income and expenses for different month, at that time I can create different worksheet for different month. For example, by default names are sheet 1, 2, and 3. So I can change this name, right click here, rename sheet option is there. Okay, here I will write like this, August 21. Okay, like this. Or when you double click here, it will come. Okay, double click or right click and rename. And here September 21. Okay, like this. Then there is status bar. Okay, this is called status bar. Here it is showing you some more information about this worksheet, that is sheet 2 of 3. Right now total 3 sheets are there and I am in sheet number 2. When I click on first sheet, it will show sheet 1 of 3. This is 3 of 3, like that. I can insert more worksheet also by right click here and insert worksheet. Okay. Now it will ask you before sheet number 3 you want it or after that. So click on after. Okay. And here you are getting how many worksheet you want. For example, 2. Okay. And if you want to bring this worksheet from any existing file, okay, where in other file you have created some data and you want to bring some that data here, at that time this option can be selected and select that file by clicking on browse, and then you will able to select those files to import those worksheets. So right now I am inserting 2 worksheets. So you can see that after 3 there is 4 and 5, 2 worksheets are there inserted. Okay, same thing you can do from here also. This is insert. Okay, and click on sheet. The same thing you will be able to do from here also. Now if you want to delete a worksheet, at that time right click there, delete. It will ask for your confirmation, and if you click on yes, that that worksheet will get removed from your file. Okay, then in title bar it is showing you name of this file. So right now we have not saved this file. Okay, so it is going to show untitled one. Now when I save this file, okay, it is giving this in different format. So in which format you want to save it. This is ODF spreadsheet, that is ODS. ODS is extension of Open Office Document Spreadsheet. Open Office Document Spreadsheet. Okay, so it will be saved as Open Office Spreadsheet document. And here I am giving it a name like Standard 10 Practical. Now you can see that right now it is untitled one in title bar. When I save it, now I will get this here in desktop, in title bar, Standard 10 Practical now. Okay, so title bar will contain name of the file. If you are now save your file, then it is showing untitled as name of your file. Now next is menu bar. We have already seen there are these many menus. Now there are different menus. Okay, file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, data, and window that we have seen.